তুমি मेरे पास से रिकॉर्ड लो कुछ thing something I to talk the whole how human figure can be suddenly increased by magnetic field and to squeeze this body by pressing bringing the body one machine kept and not only so many machines will be there in under sea of Mexico Gulf where they are doing wrongdoing underneath through. So for those the ravens, the dark ark, when they come to shout such manner in Bengal, then it is to indicate that severe crisis of the humanity. Humanity in the sageless conditions. Just Lord Ramakrishna Paramahansa, they the only known name, but he is still inferior quality than the top rishis and other type of gurus, Jagat gurus. Those peoples, what they do, the gods has created a similar type of demons to teach the whole world that envious that Rakshas, the people's crime doing, they have brought, you have brought, they brought the day to doing in underneath by this modern time scientific demons, culprits, which is from this, what I have to say, this नीलतिमी like जो डेमोन्स होते हैं. लिख रखा मैं प्रियंका चोपड़ा, मधु चोपड़ा, शंभवी चोपड़ा, दीपक चोपड़ा. You can learn them. Then Bengal Veterinary College, IIT Kharagpur, Manish Singh Rai, Tarapada Singh Rai, their father, children's, brothers, cousins, sisters. Madhu Chopra is there, Santosh from Arambagh, Mahitosh, Devotosh, Paritosh, Manitosh, Chittotosh, Devajyoti, then Sudhir, Adhir, Pradhir, Ghosh, three most top criminals, the enemies of the world, humanity. That when I to give this particular number, you have to collect this number to contact these peoples. This you have to bring this news in broadcasting. And I have one bombarding complaint, news, facts, Indian spirituals, sage views that you all believe that sage power, sadhu power, for why you worship Paramahansa Ramakrishna. Although others so many there, but you do not believe on that level, do not believe even Rishi Aurobindo, but even Rishi Aurobindo is far than that, better. Even Rishi Aurobindo is other powers also there, where Maharishi Yogi has become little human harming. By him knowledge or unknowledgely, Yogananda groups, they have harmed this world. This particular message of this time, if they have format date of my camera has changed, today is 17th January, Sunday 17th or 18th, 17th January. The time is this time 9:35, 37 Jubio, 13. That I have to written one research article that World Scientific Association, climate change and global warming, pollution related, which was dealing that Colorado Institute, that is Colorado USA, California. From that institute, those people I sent, this is Yalu Rabindranath Roy, yahoo.com, but this is my Rabindranath Ray Bala gmail.com. This is such a blue whale I have mentioned. This phone came from this Fort London. One lady is to speak me, and he to behalf on that resend your article, but she did not acknowledge, and again the people from underneath my Bengali country mates who to know me and hinder for last 25 years they have catched me digitally. There's not even physically, maybe more than 30, but I has attached with digital system since 94-95. I was unable to start this computer very proper manner to run. That was very difficult to get any printer, email, or computers, data, file, representation, scientific document intact. They to intrusion with computer intrusion and software, Microsoft and Google system. At that time I was not mobile, but they to learn to come through email, internet. To reach on a steady time, there was not broadband at Mukteshwar. When I came to Calcutta, 99 March 1990, 1999. I reached to Calcutta station for my own personal reasons and to take care of Bengali peoples. As per my Gurudev's instruction, you have to return back Bengal. As he was knowing that I will be most affected also, and my mission will be affected coming on earth. And you have to take me as Lord Ramakrishna, as promised that one to come to teach you that laboratory scientist who to create sometimes some havoc probably, but he has to talked that what you ridicule today me, but somebody one will come to teach you all the laboratory scientist. थप्पड़ मार के जो भी हो ऐसा टीचिंग करेंगे जब तुम्हें ये जदा धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारती कर दोगे. As a old culprit, scientists should not be told those who do not believe are of religions, because they do not believe then caliber intelligence of Einstein's. For not seeing he is in ice, that energy forms the waves, that squeezing, what Heisenberg has mentioned, squeezing of this light wave is squeezed, material is that squeezed and mixed up. Then when it's stretched, unfolding and stretched, then it is becoming energy. That is we call the gravitational. Inner thread is there, on beyond that light wave is. And that thread actually mind. That mind, by the attracting power of the woman's body, inner, their belly, womb, breast, mainly uterus, and this forehead. They will take forehead, let their breast, nipples, the womb, then their vagina. that old caste priest witches, they are anti-Shiva power, Ma Kali power, and that is imposter power, that is reproductive power, and which is misuse this power, it is called Magis, magnet, attractive, compacting of this nature extended. That extended nature making complex free, that is a Shiva work, Chakravarti work, Raj, Ram, Krishna, Buddha, etc. This is my abstract I sent near out this time. My is this. You have reported today one thing from Bengal. This is Ratanpur, the nearby site. Vasudev Hazra came to me from that family to trace me and what I am doing, such reporting from knowing, because I have no connection with any people by phone other way, just hearing from and through art need. And that my digital system will tell that I have not received any email for about to get of the compacts, or who will reveal from those as a rebellion, human survivor, human saving comrades from such mischievous invisible hands remaining under sea, and to take honestness, to give speeches of humanity, mankind, Manavi Mukh. So this is called Ram Bagda, Ramchandrapur area, Jaipur, Digpar, then Bednapur, Ramjivanpur, Paschimpara, Hugli, Goghat, Ratanpur, Bajua. Ratanpur, that Raghubati, Bajua, Badanganj, Digpar. तो ये हम इनका हमारा रतन राय है बालादेव का, इनका रिलेटिव्स है, इनके ससुर लोग हैं, तो इनका एक इन लोगों का जो रिलेटिव्स है मतलब फैमिली मेंबर, शी वाज almost angry to change their uncles to take beef and Indian cult to behave as a antisocial. So I had to blame this Madhu Chopra. Priyanka Chopra's mother, Priyanka Chopra, approached my Skypath, learning these people underneath. She was informed and she supposed to reach me to meet my this ashram at 2014 or 15th August, July, August. She came for her some film. Oh. जो भी है अभी मैंने रिपोर्ट किया वो all everywhere so they mentioned this has been reported these things. So this number, this London number, London